Hey Deer Valley, this nutrition education question is coming from Kamea in Mr. Martin's class. And Kamea was curious about Brussels sprouts because he tried some the other day and was wondering what the nutrition was related to eating Brussels sprouts. So let's talk a little bit about that. First, I do want to show you some pictures of Brussels sprouts because they are kind of cool. So this is what you would most likely have seen before if you've ever tried them. They might be like cut in half or cut into quarters or something like that. But this is the little plant. They're not super big. They're probably about that big. But what's cool is that they're grown on these stalks. And I remember the first time I ever saw these, I was shocked. I had no idea that that's how they grew. And then if you look here, this is what they actually look like growing. So I had no idea. I thought that's pretty interesting, so I wanted to share that with you. So they grow like this. And so what Brussels sprouts have to offer, for one, they're kind of, they're known as being a bitter plant. And so that means that chances are you're probably not eating them raw. You could be, but usually you're gonna wanna cook them first in some way, and it kind of helps to take away some of the bitterness that is in the flavor. But in regards to vitamins, Brussels sprouts provide vitamin C. We've heard from other videos that vitamin C are good. Vitamin C is good for us because it takes care of and repairs some of the tissues in our bodies. And it also, if we take enough of it on a regular basis in terms of eating enough foods that have vitamin C, then we're actually helping our bodies develop immunity to some sicknesses. And so vitamin C works towards that by making our body healthy. Brussels sprouts also provide vitamin K. Vitamin K is a necessary component to blood clotting. So if you've ever gotten a cut, fallen, scraped your knee, elbow, whatever, you'll notice that at first the area where the accident happened bleeds, but then your body slowly starts to make what's called a blood clot, and it keeps that from continually bleeding. And so it's a protective measure that our body does. Vitamin K is crucial for that to happen. Brussels sprouts also provide folate, and folate is really important for stuff that's going on in our brain, so a lot of our cognition or thinking, but folate is also related and very important, especially for pregnant moms. When babies are developing inside, they need a lot of folate in order to develop correctly. Otherwise, birth defects can happen and babies can come out with something called spinal bifida, and there's things that can happen if they don't have enough folate. So very important. Lastly, they provide B6. And so B6 is also something that's really important for stuff going on inside the brain. For kids developing, it's really good for you guys in regards to brain development. For adults, it's more about just maintaining that ability for your brain to function well. So that's all the different kinds of vitamins that are provided just from eating Brussels sprouts. So hopefully, Kamea, that answered your question, and thank you so much for asking.